Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what if Carthage replaced Rome. Imagine a world where Carthage, not Rome, emerged victorious from the Punic Wars. This alternate history presents a fascinating scenario, drastically altering the course of Western civilization. We'll explore how Carthaginian dominance might have reshaped politics, culture, and technology across the ancient world. Get ready to dive into a compelling what if that challenges our understanding of history. A Carthaginian-dominated world would likely see a different political landscape. Instead of Roman republicanism evolving into empire, an oligarchic system, similar to Carthage's, might have prevailed. Phoenician language and culture, including its unique religious practices, could have become widespread across the Mediterranean. This would lead to a distinct cultural identity, potentially influencing art, architecture, and philosophy in ways we can only imagine, creating a truly unique historical path. Economically, Carthage's focus on maritime trade would have led to extensive exploration and new trade routes, possibly even across the Atlantic much earlier. Their advanced naval technology would likely see further development, pushing the boundaries of ancient seafaring. Agricultural practices might have emphasized different crops and techniques, reflecting Carthaginian expertise. This economic and technological trajectory would create a world with distinct innovations and a different global reach than the Roman Empire. The long-term consequences of a Carthaginian victory are profound. Legal systems, infrastructure, and even the very concept of empire would have evolved along different lines. Imagine a world where Phoenician rather than Latin roots influenced modern languages, or where Carthaginian architectural styles defined ancient cities. This alternate history offers a rich tapestry of possibilities, fundamentally altering the foundations of our present. For more insights into shaping your own future, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.